Hello friends, today's topic 6 sectors that may appreciate whichever government comes. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As the Lok Sabha election results come closer, the nervousness among investors is increasing on how stock markets may react to the results. As per Prabhudas Niladhar, a leading brokerage company, different sectors react differently based on the election results. As per the report, they are assuming two broad scenarios. Number one, what if NDA wins Lok Sabha elections? Prabhudas Niladhar expects continuation of policy if NDA comes back to power, and themes around infra, defense, CG, new energy, tourism, etc. will continue to do well. Consumer goods, two-wheeler and tractors can get a boost from improvement in rural demand and expectation from normal monsoons. 2. What if NDA loses Lok Sabha polls? Unexpectedly, if India alliance comes to power, it will lead to correction in markets and specific sectors like defense, capital goods, tourism, PSUs, AMC, wires and cables, plastic pipes, etc. Prabhudas Leeladhar has provided a list of sectors and stocks that will do well irrespective of the regime in power. Number 1. FMCG. Rural demand will help the FMCG sector. Key stocks HUL, Dabur, Imami, Marico, Godrej Consumer, Britannia, Varun Beverages. 2. Automobile. Two-wheelers, tractors and entry-level cars will benefit irrespective of which party comes to power. Key stocks Hero Motocar, Maruti and M&M. 3. Information technology. When the US economy will revive, IT sector stock will suddenly start recovering. Key stocks TCS, LTI Mindtree, HCL Tech, CN and Tata Technologies. 4. Private banks. Expect de-rating in valuations of all PSUs, including banks. The focus may shift to top private banks already trading at a significant discount on their last 10-year valuations. Key stocks HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank. 5. Capital goods. Global technology leaders like Siemens, ABB, Schindler, Honeywell, Hitachi Energy, Timken, Schaeffler, etc. are likely to not to be negatively impacted by any government. 6. Healthcare. Irrespective of which party comes to power, healthcare is a sector which will continue to do well. Key stocks Sun Pharma, Cipla, Max Healthcare, etc. Unless there is surprise upset for NDA, the overall markets could be stable or rally depending on the margin of victory. Most sectors which have good potential for the future will continue to do well. We need to be able to stay patient with many companies since performance will not be inconsistent and there will be periods of dullness and periods of sudden uptrend. At the end of the video, here is the question. Which stock in your portfolio was underperforming for many months and then suddenly improved in a short period? Type the name of the stock in the comment section. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.